pick up my phone, what the heck? Coming at my neck, tripping via text, disrespect. I don't fuck with that. Can't put me in check. You the ex, calling for the sex.
So, hey, what's up, you guys? It's me, Rafika, and today is going to be the day where I do the DIY things, and I love DIY. So, yes, I have a stuffed animal that I'm holding, and there is going to be 4 or maybe 5 of them, or maybe 4 or maybe 5 of the DIYs. And I hope you enjoy the DIYs that I did. And it's kind of messy and it's not that pretty because duh. And yep, without further ado, let's get on to the video where I do the DIY stuff. So the first DIY is going to be this bracelet hanging thing, and you're going to need some cork board and some push pins, some brushes, and some poster paints. So the first thing you're going to do is color the corkboard, and I'm using this blue, dark blue, and pink, and maybe I'm going to color it like ombre-ish color, so I'm just using like mixed up colors. So I'm just use blue first, like the light blue first, and I'm just going to mix it up with red, maybe red and pink and dark blue. So let's speed it up the process.
Let me be your high tide.
So after it completely dried, you just going to put some strings to make it hang, and you're just going to cut by the length of your whole arm or something, and then you're just going to hot glue it on, and just follow my steps. So after the glue is dried, you're just going to stick some pins so you can just hang the bracelets or the necklaces. So let's just pin it.
Against it all. Flowers grow from hurricanes, and there is beauty in the pain.
So the last step is you're going to put your bracelets and your necklaces, and now you have this beautiful stand where you can put your bracelets, and you're just now done. And let's do the montage.
High tide.
So the next DIY is a to-do list, and you just need some markers, some washi tapes, some scrapbook papers, some colored papers, an X-Acto knife, a hot glue gun, and a frame. So the first thing you're gonna do is take off the frame like I'm doing here, if it doesn't make sense. Then you just gonna find this colored paper thing if you want, and you tear it off from the book and you just gonna cut it. So after you cut those paper, you just need the color paper, and the color is optional, and just cut till the size that you want and write something.
Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
I just wrote this to-do list because obviously, and you can write anything. And to stick it, I just use the washi tape so it can stick, and it's pretty too.
Missing someone.
And then I just hot glue the paper on to make it stick, and I'm just gonna do it to the rest of it. And now I just took the other colored paper and fold it to half and make sure the paper is in the right shape so it can fit in the frame. And I'm just gonna washi tape it to make it stay like I did before. And after I finish decorating, I'm just gonna put the frame back on, and you're basically done. So the third DIY is this wall decorations, and you're just gonna need some bulldog clips and some quoted cards. And you also need a spray paint, and I almost forgot that. So the first thing, you just spray those clips, and I use two colors, which is gold and pink. So after an hour, for it completely dry, you're just gonna stick those clips on your wall. And I use hot glue gun to stick it, and I just clip on the paper, and you are done. The last DIY is this macrame, and you just gonna need some yarn, a wood rod, a scissors, a large ring, and a spray paint. So the first thing is to spray the wood rod with gold paint or whatever color you want. After the paint is completely dry for about 1.5 hours, we can just take the large ring and the yarn and do exactly what I did there. I'm sorry, but I'm just bad at explaining stuff, so I just used 10 strings about the length of my arm, and I just did this knot, and knot it on the ring, and you're just gonna do that to 4 more other strings, and yep. And after the ring is done, you're just gonna do the same thing what I did to the ring, and just make it 11 or more, depends on the rod length, and make the strings a little bit longer than the ring one. I just mix in the white and the pink yarn because the white one ran out. And you're just gonna do the knot thing that you did before. And you just do what I did here and do that to the others. So after you done the knot stuff, you're just gonna cut the bottom till it's kind of a triangle shape, and do that to the other one, and just cut till it's completely nice and fine or something. So after cutting, you're just gonna tie a string on the ring like I did here. Just tied it like normal. And you're just going to do that on the rod too, so it can hang. And you just tied it on the rod like 2 times, and you're just going to knot 4 of them, of the strings. So just follow what I did there, and you're done. That is it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun doing this, and it took me a while for the paints to dry and all of that stuff. And sorry if the background noise is too loud. It's my sister's laptop. And I hope you enjoy, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and like this video. I have a playlist done, maybe for this DIY series or whatever it's called. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry if this video is a little bit boring. And so yeah, bye.
Got me going down, down, down. Got me living